What's up, guys? It's the Crypto Wiz. Today I want to talk about Tether, but before I get into that, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys are into these kind of videos so I know I'm not just wasting my time here and I can put out more content for you guys. Um, but I just want to talk about my opinions on Tether and the recent developments around this cryptocurrency. So there is a lot of speculation out there that Tether is not claiming to do what they say they are, and you can see that in the recent sell-off in the past day or so. And I think this has a lot to do with Tether and its split from its auditing company, Friedman LLP, which it's been working with for, I believe, the past year or so. And CoinDesk actually did a really good article about that. So they say Tether, the issuer of the dollar-pegged cryptocurrency, has ended its relationship with Friedman LLP. And I want to talk about the statement that they gave. We confirm that the relationship with Friedman is dissolved given the excruciatingly detailed procedures Friedman was undertaking for the relatively simple balance sheet of Tether. It became clear that an audit was unattainable in a reasonable time frame. Okay, guys, if you have $2 billion in assets, although they are simply in cash, and I guess that should be a simple balance sheet, but come on, like, you should be excruciatingly looking into that balance sheet, right? So for Tether to say that this is the reason that they are dissolving their relationship, it's making a lot of people nervous. If you look at a lot of companies that are traded in the US exchanges, they're audited by 2 or 3 companies. I know Apple is audited by at least 2 companies. In the future, I think these kind of audits are going to become more regular for cryptocurrencies, especially as they become more regulated and more governments are looking to see what exactly is going on in this space. And me as an investor, it's going to make me feel way more comfortable just knowing that these companies behind these cryptocurrencies are actually doing what they say they are and have those assets on hand. And I think that's nothing but a healthy thing for this market. We're going to see a lot less of these cryptocurrency scams just because they're not going to be able to hide anymore. So this news about Tether ending its relationship only makes me even more nervous about Tether as a legitimate cryptocurrency. What I believe was happening was Friedman LLP was going to put forth an honest audit of exactly the cash that Tether has on hand. And if that news broke, everyone would realize that Tether is not what it claims to be, and it would be a panic sell. And that's exactly what happened with BitConnect when the news came out that they were going to shut down their lending platform. At that moment, about $2 billion worth of BitConnect was erased within a couple hours because everybody realized that their BitConnect tokens were pretty much worthless. And that's the thing about trading. It's that a buyer has to be met for every seller. So when nobody is stepping in to buy, the price just crashes down. It's not going to be a gradual decline in price. It's pretty much going to go to zero within a couple hours. And I believe the same thing is going to happen. When it comes out that Tether is a scam and that they don't actually have all that cash on hand that they claim to do. But I don't think that's going to be the end of it there. I believe it's going to be a far wider reach because Tether and its relationship with Bitcoin, very large cryptocurrency exchange. I personally stay away from it just because I'm wary of Tether. So that makes me really wary of the people running Bitfinex and their motives. And this goes back to never storing your coins on exchanges, guys. So if you do have any coins on Bitfinex, I would get them off immediately. And the thing I always like to say with some of my friends is a lot of these cryptocurrency exchanges, if they picked up and they left today, they would make more money doing that than if they operated for the next 20 years. And there's nobody governing these exchanges. It's not like with the New York Stock Exchange, there's the SEC, which regulates that market. They watch it like a hawk. In cryptocurrency, it really is the Wild West, and anything goes, guys. So you guys have to be responsible. Be responsible with your own money. Don't let someone else hold your money for you. That's the whole purpose of decentralized currencies, right? Why are we using these exchanges like they're bank accounts? So that would just be my advice to you guys. In my opinion, guys, I would not be holding Tether. I would not be parking my money in Tether. If I really wanted to park my money somewhere, I would just do it in Bitcoin and Ethereum and just go for the ride. That's why we're in cryptocurrency anyway. I personally never use Tether. I've thought about it, but I'm not a trader. I invest for the long term. So if the market fluctuates a little bit, I'm here for the long run. So I'm going with it, right? Alright guys, this is the Crypto Wiz. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment. I'm out.